Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install ChatGPT on your MacBook. As you can see, I have installed ChatGPT in my Mac right here. So let's begin the video. In order to install ChatGPT on your Mac or MacBook, you're going to open Google Chrome browser and open ChatGPT's website, which is chat.openai.com, and from here you can sign into your ChatGPT account so that history is maintained. After that, you're going to click on the three dots on the top right side. You're going to go down where it says save and share and click on the option create shortcut. You can give it any name. For me it's ChatGPT, and make sure to select the option open as window and click on create. After that, you can see it has successfully installed ChatGPT on our Mac and it is present in our MacBook, as you can see. So from here I can ask different questions to ChatGPT, as you can see right here, and it's going to work completely normal as you would do on the web. So after that, when I'm going to close ChatGPT, you can see it will be removed from the dock. So in order to open it again, click on Finder. Make sure that you are in your home directory. In my case it's Wasay, in your case it will be different. Go to the applications folder, Chrome apps, and here you're going to find ChatGPT. Double tap on it and it's going to open ChatGPT. Now if you don't want ChatGPT to disappear whenever you close it, just double tap on the icon, go to options, keep in dock. So now even if I close ChatGPT, you can see it will not be removed from the dock. Now if I want to uninstall ChatGPT from my Mac, it's pretty simple. First of all, make sure that you double tap on the icon and remove it from the dock. After that, you're going to click on the ChatGPT setup and you're going to drag and drop it onto your recycle bin, and ChatGPT will be removed from your Mac or MacBook. So yeah guys, in this way you can install ChatGPT on your Mac or MacBook. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.